Okay, so let's do this one. So this has already been named well, I think. And 156. Okay, looks like it's good to go. But yeah, I'm gonna get it all the way till the edge here. Oh, it's not stretching, so I'm gonna take this audio out, cut this. I'll put this here in the middle, put this on the line. See, it says here 191.1. You need to make sure it says 1. Sometimes it doesn't say 1. Split the clip. Change the gain for this one to 0. Okay, and select these two. And I'm going to rename it. Oh, before I do that, I should rename it. I've got my new naming convention style now. There we go, fill 2. Easier to read. KB. And select that. And we're going to go equals. New region. Here we go. Okay, great. So that's done. And I'm going to pull this back. I'm not convinced it's on the bar. See, it's not on the bar. Something strange has happened. So I'm going to cut it here, and then I'm going to move this to the bar. Those slight details, they make a difference when you start to try to loop the things, start to loop the sound, right? Okay, back to where it was. And we're going to name, oh, this is the final Afro beat, so I will rename this as Afro B4. That's what it is. Bar 190 might have been the reference file used to select all of that. Okay, and I'll select that, all of that, and that guy. And we will press equals. Okay, and so I have all my audio files with all of their flex markers imprinted onto them.